Welcome yogis, my name is Megan and this is Tucker. Today we are going to take you through your power yoga for core strength flow. This is quite an intense flow, but don't let that stop you. If you are a beginner, move mindfully and take breaks as you need to. If you are more advanced, you could repeat this flow twice or pair it with another fitness class. So go ahead and just get comfortable and come to lay on your back. Take a deep breath in and out. And then go ahead and plant your feet on the mat, knees up to the sky. Inhale to lift the hips up and exhale to lower down. Inhale to lift, exhale to lower. Maybe you lift the arms up, exhale, lower everything down. Inhale, exhale, once more. Amazing. Go ahead, hug those knees into your chest. Maybe pressing the knees away a few times. Just resetting the low back. And then extend that left leg out, hug that right knee into your chest. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, take that knee over to the left side, opening up through your right arm. Supine twist. Just a little twist here to start the flow. On an exhale, go ahead and just draw that leg back through the center. Take the right knee off of the mat. Lift the head and neck and shoulders and single leg switches here back and forth. Engage your core. Back and forth, back and forth. Keep going. Shoulders off the mat. And then hug that left knee into chest, right leg extends out. And find your supine twist on the other side. Breathe deep into the belly in your twist. And let's bring it back through the center. Right leg lifts off the mat, single leg switches. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do it. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Just a few more. And you're done. Hug those knees into your chest. Next exercise. Go ahead and extend those legs up towards the sky. Point the toes. Hands reach up towards the toes. Head and neck and shoulder come off the mat. Let's go ahead and just reach for those toes. Lower back down. Inhale to reach. Exhale to lower. Keep going. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Engage that core. We're building a nice, strong core here. And then go ahead and release. Hug those knees in. And then from here, we're just going to roll up the spine a few times. So rolling like a ball here, just once more. And then roll all the way through to your tabletop pose, hands and knees. And let's just find a couple rounds of cat-cow here, dropping the belly, inhale, and exhale, arch through the back. Inhale for your cat-cow pose, and exhale for cat. And find a few more cycles of cat-cow. And then walk your hands out, curl your toes underneath, lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. You're here for 5 full breaths. Let's find some Shakti ways after our downward dog. So on an inhale, you're going to roll on through to plank, bend the knees, exhale, downward dog. Like a wave, inhale through to plank, exhale, downward dog. Inhale, roll through to plank, exhale, downward dog. Take a breath in, bend the knees, and then as you exhale, hop to the front, find your fold. Few breaths here, and then inhale, roll all the way up to your mountain pose. Reach the hands up, hands to hearts. Inhale, reach them up. Exhale, fold at your hips. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Plant the hands, step back to your plank. And come all the way to the belly. Untuck the toes. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, press up to plank and downward facing dog. One breath here. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right knee into center. Inhale, right leg extends. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale to the left elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, downward dog. Next side. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale all the way to center. Inhale, extend. Exhale to left elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, right elbow, twist. Inhale, extend. Exhale, downward dog. Bend the knees. Inhale. Hop to the front of your mat and find your fold. Exhale. And then let's roll all the way up. Exhale, hands to heart. Here we go. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands. Step back to your plank. Inhale. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, draw it in the center. Then drop the knee to the mat, pick it up. Drop the knee down, pick it up. Here we go. Keep moving. Nice, strong core here. Try not to dip your hips while you're doing this. Keep going. And then extend that leg up. Draw it down. Next side. Left leg extends up. Then draw that knee into center. Drop to the mat and up. Try to get physical contact with the mat. And then hug that knee up as high as it will go to your chest. Keep going. You're doing amazing. And then send it up. Downward dog. Take a breath. And hop to the front of your mat. Find your fold. And then roll all the way up. Draw your hands to your heart. Take a moment here. Then hands down by your sides. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands. Maybe hop back to chaturanga. Find your flow. Upward dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Extend that right leg behind you. Exhale to draw it in to right elbow. Draw it to the left. Drop it down. So we're creating little squares here. Right elbow, left, right. Right, left, right. So we're working the core, the obliques here. Keep going, extend it up. Draw the leg down. And let's move to the second side. Left leg up. Draw it in, left elbow, right elbow, touch it down. So create this image of a square as you move through this flow. I'm going to extend the leg up, draw it down. And let's find a little flow here. Exhale, downward dog. From here, let's hop to the front of our mat. And inhale to roll all the way up. Hands to heart. Take a moment here. Find your breath. Big toes to touch, about an inch between your heels. Find your chair pose. Sink back like you're sitting in a chair. And then maybe we add some pulses here, firing up the legs. And we'll take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, straight legs. Inhale, chair, exhale, straight legs. Move back and forth here in your chair pose flow. Back to those pulses. And then let's just pause, finding chair pose. And fold over your legs. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, folds. Maybe you try again, hopping back to chaturanga and finding a flow. Exhale, downward dog. Take a deep breath in. Long exhale out. And then hop through to a seated pose, coming into boat. So finding your version of boat pose. Engage the core, sitting back on those sitting bones. Bring those hands to your heart. Let's see if we can find some twist here. So moving back and forth, take your elbow to your opposite knee as you straighten through the other leg. Twisting from that belly button. Russian twist, boat pose, back and forth. And then pause, boat pose here. Keep breathing. Plant your feet, wrap those arms around your knees, and just fold forward, just taking a moment. Coming back to your breath. From here, you're going to extend that right leg, grabbing hold of the foot. Feeling this nice stretch. Grab behind the ankle as you roll on down, lifting that left leg off the mat. Arms overhead, we're going into scissors. So move the legs back and forth. And if it's a little tricky today, you can leave out the arms. But you're clapping the arms overhead and then between the legs. A little yoga for the brain. Hug the knees into your chest. Roll up. Step back. Find a flow. Or you can skip it and just meet us in downward dog. But you can do this. Take a deep breath in. And from here, let's see if you can hop through, coming back into your boat pose. Nice, strong and steady pose here. Same little stance on the other side. Let's find our Russian twist. So try to get physical contact with that elbow and knee. And think of twisting through that belly button. So I know it's a lot of work here, but we're not here for very long. Take your boat pose. And then plant the feet, just folding over your legs. Take a moment here. And we'll go ahead and grab the left foot, extend that left leg straight as you can. Go ahead and clasp that ankle as you roll on down, coming into your scissor legs. Extend right leg, arms overhead, and here we go, back and forth. So try to gaze up rather than crunching forward. You're not here long. Draw the knees into your chest. Plant the feet onto the mat. Walk the feet out as wide as your mat. Allow the knees to knock into each other. Maybe just dropping the legs to the right. And then dropping the legs to the left. Windshield wipering the legs once more to each side. And then draw the knees back up. Extend the legs out long. And our final pose of Savasana. You have earned this. Just taking a few moments here to allow your practice to settle into the body. Allow that breathing to come back to neutral. Bring those hands together. And drawing them right up to the third eye. Take a deep breath in and exhale, bow. Namaste.